Heavy rains and cloudy weathers are enough to make us realize that we don't need to use a sunscreen. Is it? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how this is a myth and is monsoon a sunscreen friendly season or not? Hey everyone, this is Indira here and you're watching me on my channel. So please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. It will mean the world to me. So let's get started. So there's basically a wrong perception among everybody that if it is a monsoon season, if it is cloudy, you don't need to use a sunscreen for that matter of fact. But no, this is an absolute myth because the ultraviolet rays do pass through the clouds and make your skin worse, even worse because during the monsoon season in the wet skin, the UV rays tend to make your skin more prone to tanning, and this may also be a result of skin damage as well. So using a sunscreen is definitely important, and I will be telling you in this video about some points which is absolutely necessary if you're looking out for your right sunscreen. So the first thing that you need to know while purchasing a sunscreen is that about the SPF. So I particularly prefer SPFs around 40 to 50 or maybe higher because that will really ensure your skin from the sun damage. The next point is to look for PA+++. It is absolutely important to use a sunscreen which has PA+++ because PA++ gives you the highest protection from the UV sun rays. And the third point will be to use a texture which suits your skin perfectly. For example, if you have oily skin, look for products which will enhance your skin to make it matte, or maybe a product which has a gel format so that it doesn't clog your pores. Also, if you have sensitive skin, you must try out the Kaya Sun Defense Sensitive Sunscreen. This is a sunscreen which is especially for sensitive skin type, and I have been using this for the reason that my skin has been performing really harsh lately and I have been facing with some burns on my face. I did look out for something like this and I found this particular product. Let me show you the texture. So it comes in this creamy, light creamy texture. As you can see, it really helps in to get rid of all those sun tanning and burns on your skin, and this is absolutely light on your skin as well, which is extremely beneficial because it gets absorbed quickly. Similarly, if you have dry skin type, then do consider looking for a product that has a thick creamy texture so that it helps you to keep yourself moisturized all day long. So these were some of my tips on how to shop for your sunscreen, and I hope this video was helpful. And this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is a new platform that connects beauty influencers with top brands and savvy shoppers. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.